Okay, so what do you do when you're having a horrible, terrible, no good, very bad homeschooling day? Because let's face it, it happens to all of us. And some seasons, those bad days seem to happen a lot. So what do you do? Well, first of all, you can try and push through it if you want to. But my advice to you is if one kid is really having a bad day, or you, mama, having a really bad day, no matter what you do that day, nothing's gonna get through to anybody. It's just gonna go in one ear and out the other, or get stuck somewhere in the head. So my advice to you is to just stop that day. Put everything away for the day that is a formal lesson, and do something else that brings you and your family joy. One of the things I do is I cook comfort food. Yes, I just dropped raw eggs into my red gravy. That's what we call it down south, or my tomato sauce. Sometimes I make cream of wheat, but for the most part, this is one of our comfort foods. But if you're having one of those really bad days, just put everything aside and first pray. That's the first thing you got to do, is just pray, and get the kids involved with the praying, okay? Just stop and read. Just read aloud for the day. Go for a ride in the car and listen to Audible for a little while. Go for a walk. It's amazing what you can do when you go for a walk. Have dance parties in the kitchen. Have a tea party outside. Have a picnic. Let the kids go climb the trees, because if you don't let them, they're going to climb the walls when they come back in. So you could also take out some of your family's favorite games, right? So don't worry about the math games today. Take out the silly ones. Do some Mad Libs together. Do throw burrito. Go sushi. Pick out some games that are just super fun to play with. And sometimes a change in scenery is all your family needs. So go to the park, call a friend and say, hey, let's meet at the park today. Or give grandma a phone call. It's amazing how grandma, just a conversation with her, can make everything better. Bake some cookies, guys, or bake some cupcakes and let the kids lick the bowl, okay? All right, so, and then the other thing that always seems to work with our family was we did chores together. And there was something about just cleaning the house and doing something productive that wasn't exactly like schoolwork, but there's just something about serving that would bring out the joy in all of us. So don't call it chores, just go on a cleaning rampage that day. It's amazing what that can do for everybody. And so, yes, guys, I did put eggs in my red gravy. My mom grew up as a very poor Italian, and so when things were tight, they would put their eggs in their red gravy. That was the way they could get their protein. So hey, if you're on a keto or a paleo diet, try some eggs in your sauce too, all right? So just remember, there's always tomorrow, mamas. There's always next week. So if you're having a bad day, just take the day off, do something else that brings joy and rest and peace to you and your family, and then start over tomorrow. All right, you guys have a great day.